Okay, good evening. My name is Nisarga. I am a volunteer at TIE. I welcome all of you to TIE Pune. Welcome our eminent speaker Sandeep Nulkar, who seems to be very well known. Almost everybody could meet him and shake hands with him, and Arey Sandeep Puneri. So I welcome all of you, all my friends, fellows, volunteers. Let me just ask you, how many of you are from TIE? 50%, 70%, 30%. How many are non-TIE members? I would surely love you to know. Tie up with TIE. You need to do that. Okay, let me just, in short, in brief, just take you through what TIE is all about and why TIE. TIE is a non-profit, largest organization for entrepreneurs. It started way back in the 90s, early 90s, set up by some of the Indian entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley, and currently there are about almost 50,000 plus members across 61 chapters and growing every year. There are these TIEcons that happen every year almost in most of the cities. We had one this year in March 30th, and it was a big success. It was the first of its kind in Pune. We had more than 600 attendees and more than 60 speakers, eminent speakers, including Mr. Narayan Murthy, who was the keynote speaker. TIE runs multiple programs that happen on first and third Fridays, which are normally the success stories. The one that we are sitting on right now over here is a success story. Then we have mentoring sessions. These happen with the senior charter members and the entrepreneurs. Then we have breakfast meetings which happen on second and fourth Thursdays. We have training workshops which normally happen the end of every month, that's the last Saturday of every month. And we have other events like the business plan competition and collaborative events which happen with organizations within the ecosystem. We've had 25 odd sessions up till now, My Story sessions, and in different formats where you have the first generation entrepreneurs or the inheritors like Mr. Bajaj. I'll run you through a few of them. There are women entrepreneurs, there are Puneri brands, Sandeep being one of them. More than 2,000 have attended this events, and you will find videos on YouTube and photographs on Facebook. You can just read through a few of them. We had Subbu Kota from the Boston Group, Mukund Bhogle from Nitlep, and Anand Khandekar from Fuel, again a Puneri. We have these interactive breakfast sessions that happen alternate Thursdays at a place called Grapshop, and this place is located on Law College Road. It's a quick service restaurant. You have subject matter experts coming in and speaking and interacting with almost all the members there. You can also make a suggestion on the form that has been given to you, where you can write which is the person that you would want to come and talk over there. These are fairly interactive sessions over about 2 hours of breakfast and discussions. Then we have other activities like the business plan competition that happened recently in 2013. We have full day workshops which happen on different topics. It could be selling, it could be finance, it could be legal, just about you name them, and we have most of the workshops done. There are new initiatives like these 3 Shakti, wherein women entrepreneurs are encouraged to do business, set up their own startups, set up their own enterprises. All the help that is required can be offered from TIE. And we have the Nurture 2, which is a mentoring initiative along with charter members. The Nurture initiative, which normally is for about 6 months. There are a lot of entrepreneurs register for this, and they are shortlisted depending on the kind of mentor that can be assigned to them. This is a very intensive session wherein you have, let's say, a fairly localized business plan, and you can, if you go through this particular nurture program, it automatically, you are able to offer a very professional business plan to investors. That is the aim of this particular nurture program, and it's supported by the MCCI and the startups. Again, why TIE? I want all of you to make an effort to join in TIE and be a part of this great organization. I again welcome Sandeep Durkar to tell about his successful journey so far. I would like to thank TIE for giving me this opportunity to speak about the Startup Leadership Program. It's a 60-hour, 6-month program that's very intensive in nature, and it helps current CEOs and entrepreneurs to take up their enterprise to a different level altogether. It runs globally, simultaneously at 22 locations. And in case if you miss one here, you can probably be in the chapter that is happening, and you can join in without losing any of the sessions. I'll just read through, or probably you can just read through why join. The entrepreneur journey is very, very lonely, and you need people along with you to be a part of the challenges that you face. So you're not alone here. The real is the network is real fellows, wherein you can share your issues, share your challenges, share your problems with them. And the best part is that you can connect with them locally as well as globally. 22 chapters. I already mentioned I already read where all they are. The education program that has been set is very rigorous, and it is of the best of cutting edge technology, as well as the sessions that are taken. You get a global feel of the whole thing. You could just post in your information in terms of you are facing this issue, whether it is in IT, legal, finance. There are guys who can help you just about from anywhere. So you have a strategy day, a product day, a customer day, an investor day, and there are enough people to help you around. You will completely understand the funding process. You get specific feedback not only in Pune as well as from globally of how your presentation is. Yeah, there are certain logos, but for example, Ixigo is the first founder member from SLP, who is very well known. Then there's one Runkeeper app that is done very well across the globe. They're all SLP fellows. Apart from just doing this, we also have a lot of fun, and it costs very little. It's just 9,000 rupees for a 6-month program, wherein what you get is you are able to connect across the globe. That's the best part. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Hemant Gomdil, and it's my pleasure to welcome Sandeep Durkar for today's My Story session. Looks like most of you already know Sandeep, so I won't spend much time on introducing him, but let's just quickly start. So initially just wanted to know from Sandeep something more about yourself and your company before we get into your journey.
It's essentially a translation company. I've had the hardest time explaining to people the difference between translation and transcription, and but still there are a lot of people who do understand what translation is. Some at times confuse between translation and transcription. This happened quite some years ago, but when I was about to get married, my in-laws really had a big problem because they kind of they were not convinced that somebody who's a translator can really support their daughter. So it starts from there. It's been a very, very difficult journey, so to say, in the sense there's no identity to the field. So if you're a translator, you're a translation company, that doesn't mean anything to most people. So yeah, essentially it's still a translation company in a day and age when if generally if any one of you would like to get something translated, you open some